Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started on wallet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. And what is wallet? You can keep your finances in one place and you can get a big picture on all your money, connect your bank, track cash or import data. You can connect your bank, connect all your accounts from any bank, add savings, credit cards, PayPal and more. You can track your spending, track and analyze spending immediately and automatically through our bank connection. You can set up your goals, track and follow what matters to you, save for important things. You can budget your money, build healthy financial habits, control unnecessary expenses, and you can follow your plan and dreams, build your financial life, make the right financial decisions, see only what is important for you. And now let's get started. Click on the start now. And you can see that you can connect with your Google account, with Facebook, or to sign up with any other email address. I'm going to use my Google account and I think this is the easiest way. So I've just selected my Google account and now you have to select base currency. Your base currency should ideally be the one you use most often. Your balance and statistics will be shown in this currency. So right now I'm in Romania, that's why it shows Romanian leu, but I'm going to switch to USD. Alright, click on the confirm and you have to set up your cash balance. How much cash do you have in your physical wallet? I'm going to type in randomly an amount of money, but obviously you have to set up your cash balance. All right, and that's it. We are successfully signed up. In the latest in the following videos I'm going to show you other features of this app, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.